Okay, in this video we're going to review our 6 properties of exponents. So we begin by constructing a chart here with the 6 operations of arithmetic. At the bottom we have addition and subtraction. Above that tier we have multiplication, division, powers, and roots. Remember your order of operations, use parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and then addition and subtraction. Well, with exponents, roots are kind of the partner operation for exponents. And then we review some problems with exponents. For example, if we had x squared times x cubed, you might recall that we add the exponents. And so, in other words, for multiplying, we drop down one operation to addition. Likewise, if we were dividing, like x to the 10th over x to the 6th, remember, when we divide, we subtract the exponents. So for division, if we're dividing exponents, we drop down one operation to subtraction. Recall likewise, if you had x cubed raised to the 5th power, that to do that we would multiply 3 times 5. So in other words, when we're dealing with powers with exponents, we again are dropping down one operation to multiplication. And then, as we've already discussed with roots, the way we do roots is by division. So we can see with roots we're also dropping down one operation. And so those 4 properties there can all be summarized with, when we're doing that arithmetic on an exponent, whether it's powers, roots, or multiplication and division, then we drop down one operation lower in the chain. You might recall that we can't add and subtract things with exponents unless they're like terms. And basically you can kind of see from this picture why you might not be able to do that, like x squared plus x cubed. Because there's nowhere to go, there's nowhere to drop down. Now there are 2 other properties that we need to be aware of. One is that an exponent will distribute over a multiplication or division problem. Okay. Exponents, though, will not distribute over addition. For example, 1 plus 1 quantity squared. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 squared is 4. However, if you try to distribute the exponent for 1 plus 1 quantity squared, you'd get 1 squared plus 1 squared is 2, and 2 and 4 are not equal. The other property is for negative exponents. Recall that negative exponents, you have to move the exponent to the bottom if it was in the top, and then change the sign, make it positive. If you happen to have a negative exponent in the bottom, you could move it to the top, and then you'd get rid of the negative sign as well. Okay, so those are our properties of exponents. And in our upcoming videos, we're going to look at using those to work with both problems involving fractional exponents and problems involving radicals.